Hello everyone, it's Gigi, and I have birthday happy meal from Tina Bean, BFF. Hi Tina Bean! And here's my birthday card. I absolutely love it. So she sent me this carousel, it says happy birthday, and guys, it spins. Do y'all see that? Isn't that so cool? She made it movable. That is such a cool die. I need to get it so I can use it with my carousel collection from Maggie. And then I'll keep inside to myself. But she is a sweetheart and I love her to pieces. So first she sent me some stamps here that don't have packaging. And some of this stuff I already knew about and some stuff I didn't. And I'm happy with everything, of course. But let me show you this stuff because it's funny. Well, some of it's funny, some is not funny, but look at this flamingo. She knows I love flamingos. So she sent me this Impression Obsession flamingo. So I'm gonna have to put these in envelopes. Let me see, where is he at? Or she, I should say. So here she is. She is a good size. So she sent me her. And y'all might need to get a coffee or a tea because there's a lot. Next, she sent me this Impression Obsession fish. So pretty. Y'all guys know I like nautical. So she sent me the fish. And then she sent me, this is hilarious. I am going to make my mom a card. I don't know if she'll be mad at me or if she'll just laugh, but I think it's hilarious. So she sent me this stamp. I don't know who makes it. I don't know if it's Art Impressions, but it's hilarious. So here she is. And then she sent me this one. The nurse. My sister's a nurse, but she's not old. Well, we're old, but we're not, you know, this old. And then some sentiments. And one of these sentiments I want to use for my mom. And so the first one says, if you don't like my driving, get off the sidewalk. I'm not bossy, I just know what you should be doing. That's the one I want to do with my mom and that old lady. You're not old, you're chronologically gifted. That is hilarious. So I got those sentiments, love them. And then she sent me this one, and at first I thought it was a cupcake. I don't know if it is or not, I gotta stamp it out. But I think it's Impression Obsession, but there's a sailboat on top, but these look like, what are they called? Oars? Oh my gosh, I don't know. Whatever those little bubble things are on a fishing pole. I should know, my dad fishes, but I don't know. Then she sent me this one. I don't know if you can really see what it is. It's a duck and a pond, two ducks in a pond, or is it a duck and a bird? No, it's two ducks in a pond, and then it says happy birthday, and then there's some foliage and some cattails, and it's really cute. Let me see if I use, you can see it better. I don't know if y'all can see that. You'll just have to wait till I make a card. But I think it'd be a cute masculine card. Okay, then she sent me, I did not find these ones, these shaped beads. These are so cute. So they have the shapes inside of the bead. And they're so cute. And they come in all different colors. So love those. And then she sent me some charms that I didn't find. She sent me these. And this one has the bee, guys. I love it. So cute. Thank you, Tina Bean. And then She told me she found some pink and white beads, and I had no idea what she was talking about. But it was these pearls. Aren't these gorgeous? Love them. Thank you, hun. These are so pretty. So that is a ton of beads. Then she had asked me if I wanted these, and I said yes. So these are called woodsies, and I am going to use them. I don't have a stir for my craft spires to do the wax melts, so this is perfect for that. So that's what I'm going to use them for, because I was using like a straight pin, and that gets expensive. Then she got me some of these, because she asked if I was looking for these ones from the Dollar Tree. And they're still not the ones, but these are the right size. So I'm going to try these and see if they'll work for the kids. I just don't know, because I don't know. But I think they might. I think they will. So she sent me 5 of these, so I'm really happy about that. So that was a really cool find, because I can't find anything that size. Then she surprised me with this punch by Stampin' Up. It is an ornament, and that is so cool, because I can use the ornament, and then I can use like a border stamp and do designs on it. And then she was telling me like that drip die that I got, I can use that like for the top of it with some foil paper. And then she also sent me this punch, which is cute. It looks like bubbles. Or you can use it just as dots. Then she sent me, I was so excited about this because she didn't know what it was. So this is mesh adhesive, and this is so hard to find, and it's so expensive now. So I had found just this color, this really pretty aqua teal, and I spent like $10 on it, shipped. Just that one. So now I have all of these colors. I am so excited, and I feel so blessed. Thank you so much, Tina Bean, because she said she didn't want them. So I am excited to have them in my stash. Okay, next are, oh, this too. This is so exciting. So she sent me this. I did not know about this. So it's called Card Quotable Sticker Pad, and it's vellum. They're vellum stickers, so they're already adhesive. And there are so many different sentiments in here for your cards. Oops, I missed a page. Look at that, there's so many. Friends are kind to each other's hopes. They cherish each other's dreams. Thoreau. Thank you for always believing in me. A true friend is the greatest of all blessings. You're always on my mind and in my heart, thinking of you with love. A friend of the heart is a friend forever. And here's a birthday one. It just says, happy birthday. You're a superstar. Celebrate and may all your wishes come true. Happy birthday. Congratulations. These are so awesome. Welcome, baby. Oh, these are awesome because I'm about to go to a baby shower. I can use these on the inside of the card. So awesome. Thank you so much. Love those. Love that they're vellum. Okay, then she sent me some stamps. So she sent me this one. It just says tomatoes, and it has the tomatoes on a vine, and I thought this was so pretty. This one is called Tin Can Mail by Inkadinka Doo. And it doesn't have a year. Nope. But that's what it says if you're interested. I love it. I don't think it's, yeah, it might have been used like once or twice, but it's so clean. I love it. Then she sent me this one by Stampin' Up. It's called Antique Crackling. I don't know what year it is, but I love it. Background stamp. Isn't that pretty? That'll be so pretty as a background. Then she sent me this called Petite Pears, which is awesome. It's missing 2, but I don't care. Could care less. Excited to have it. These will look so cute on tags. Little tags. Even on cards, but I was thinking tags. And then I knew I was getting this. So happy. I think this has actually like 17 stamps that go with it. But I got these 4. I got the main ones that I think are awesome. So got the bear, got the bees, got the honey, and got the flowers, the daffodils with the bee. Love it. I don't know, wait, it is $19.95 Stampin' Up. Cute. I don't know the name of it. Then I'm excited about this one. I picked this one out. I don't know if it's called Old Signs or Farm Fresh, but it is from 2003 and it is brand new. Isn't that cool looking? I love them. I kind of want to heat emboss it. I think that would look so cool. Okay, really excited about those. Then I got to pick this one. So this one's called Two-Step Stampin' Terrific Tulips 2001. Isn't that pretty? They look like watercolor to me. Love it. Thank you so much. And then she sent me these. I love this sunflower. I love this one. I think these are all super cute right here. I don't know what that is. I don't know if that's a ladybug or a beetle. I'm thinking a ladybug. But yeah, I really love those two a lot. Okay. Really excited about this one. It's called God Bless America. It's 2001 Stampin' Up! Special edition. So one side has just the heart, the other side has the stripes, and it says God Bless America. Isn't that cool? Love it. I was so happy to get that one. Then she sent me this die set. It makes a flower that looks like, the leaves look like hearts. And then you get 3 of the center. In case you want to do them separate, I guess. Or to stack them up also. Yeah, like 3. So pretty. I love that. Okay, the rest are loose stamps. Let me show you. So I got this penguin set. So cute. This one is Purple Daisy Designs. And I don't see a date on it. It looks brand new. This next one is Stampin' Up! 1993. And it says Just for Mew. Isn't that cute? This one, and most of these I didn't know I was getting. This one says N199 Country Doll Angel. It's by JRL Design. Isn't she cute? Oh my gosh. I love her. Then I got this one with the snowman. It's a 2002 Stampin' Up! So cute. Look at the bird on the hat, the cardinal. Very cute. Then I got this one, and this one's by Endless Creations E231. www.shop.com. SHOPE.com. And it's brand new. Look at the bee and the flowers. It's so cute. Got that. Got this cow. It just says cow. Oh, no, it doesn't. VAP VAP scrap. And it says cow. And that. And it looks like this. Isn't he cute? He's a tall cow. Hilarious. Just for You. This one's by Anita's 2002 Sugarloaf ink. So here's what it says. And here it is. Cute. I love the little curls. Okay, we're getting close to the end. So then I got this one. It is Stampin' Up! 1996, and it kind of looks like a corner stamp. It has vintage buttons and it's kind of primitive. Or it is primitive. It's very cute. Then I got this mitten, and it doesn't say on it where it's from. It just has a mitten, and it's a long stamp, and it looks brand new. And there's another one of those in here. This one has been used. It's a stocking. Not that it matters that it's been used, but... Okay, then I got this one that says Just a Note. And this is what's on it. If you're interested. Love it. Little skinny stamp. There's another one like that. It says Dream and Believe. And that's what it says. Oh, she gave me a B. This is a PSX A608. Look at the B. Got that. Oh, here's a button. It says Wendy. I don't know if that's somebody's name or what, but it looks like this. Cute. Okay, I'm about to show you one of my favorite stamps she sent, and I didn't know she was sending it. Okay, then she sent me some pegs. This one's like some leaves. This is a flower. I don't know who these are by. This is another flower. And then a bee. That's gonna be cute together. And then she sent me this one, which says large bee, and that's it. It doesn't say who it is unless it's underneath the sticker. But here's the sticker. And here it is. You see the bee in the little basket holding flowers? So stinking cute. And that is everything, guys. Thank you, Tina Bean. I love you to death, girl. All right. Bye, guys. Love ya.